This video explains how to test whether a certain column in a data frame has the date class in the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you an example, and for this example we first need to create a data frame, as you can see in lines 2 to 4 of the code. So after running these lines of code, you can see at the top right of RStudio that a new data set is appearing, which is called data. And we can print this data frame to the bottom in the RStudio console by running line 5 of the code. And then you can see that our data frame contains 3 columns, which are called x1, x2 and x3. And the columns x2 and x3 seem to contain dates. Now if we want to check if these columns do have the date class, then we can apply the functions of the lubridate package. And for this we first need to install and load the package, as you can see in lines 7 and 8 of the code. I have installed the package already, so for that reason I'm just going to load it, as you can see in line 8. And after running this line of code, we can use the is.Date function in combination with the sapply function to check all the columns in our data frame. So if you run line 10 of the code, you can see that a logical indicator is returned, which is telling us which of our columns are dates and which of our columns do not have the date class. And as you can see, only the second column x2 has the date class. So even though the third column obviously also contains dates, this column does not have the date class, and for that reason the is.Date function has returned the logical value false for the column x3. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.